In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. Make sure to watch the complete tutorial at the end of this video, as it is a straightforward process. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to avoid missing any helpful tutorials in the future. Thank you guys. To begin, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile section located at the bottom left corner. Once there, tap on Profile Views or the eye icon to view your profile visitors. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings. In this section, you need to disable the following option. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.